Hi, my name is Laura Brooks. Today I am with Mr. David Anderson, who had a few questions about math enrichment. So, Mr. Anderson, how can I help you today?
Thanks, Miss Brooks. My daughter, Janet, is doing well in math at school. Do you think she would still benefit from math enrichment?
Math enrichment provides a higher level of challenge and stimulation for students who excel in their regular math classes. By participating in an enrichment program, Janet will encounter more complex and engaging math problems that will push her intellectual boundaries. It helps prevent academic stagnation and keeps her continuously engaged and motivated to learn.
I appreciate the academic benefits, but how does math enrichment contribute to Janet's overall development?
Math enrichment fosters a multidisciplinary approach, encouraging students to make connections between math and other subjects or real-life situations. It helps broaden their horizons by promoting critical thinking, creativity, and analytical skills that are applicable across various disciplines. This broader perspective will serve Janet well as she navigates higher education and future career opportunities.
Thank you, Miss Brooks, for shedding light on the importance of math enrichment, even for students who excel in math. I appreciate your insights.
You're most welcome, Mr. Anderson. Remember, math enrichment goes beyond academic success and can unlock new avenues for intellectual growth and personal development for Janet. It is an investment in her long-term educational journey.